Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Haikyuu Legends Roblox Mobile. First, ensure you have the Roblox app installed on your mobile device, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, launch the game. You'll use the on-screen joystick for movement and swipe gestures to control your camera view. Tapping specific icons will allow you to interact with menus and perform actions. Getting comfortable with these basic controls is your first step to becoming a legend on the court. Now, let's dive into the core mechanics of Haikyuu Legends. To serve, tap the designated serve button and time your release for maximum power. Receiving and passing are crucial. Position your character correctly and tap the pass button when the ball is within range. For spiking, jump and tap the spike button at the peak of your jump to send the ball over the net. Blocking requires precise timing, jumping just as your opponent spikes. Mastering these actions is key to dominating matches. As you play, your characters will earn experience points, allowing them to level up and improve their stats like power, speed, and jump height. Each level often unlocks new, more powerful abilities. You can also customize your character's appearance and equipment to enhance their performance. Consider joining or creating a team with other players to strategize and compete together. Teamwork is essential for climbing the leaderboards and achieving victory in intense 5 versus 5 matches. To truly excel, focus on advanced strategies. Communicate effectively with your teammates, calling out plays and positions. Practice different roles, whether you prefer being a powerful spiker, a precise setter, or a defensive libero. Learn to anticipate your opponent's moves and adapt your strategy accordingly. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practicing your serves, receives, and spikes in the training area. Consistent practice and smart teamwork will elevate your gameplay to legendary status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.